everyone, welcome to another garbage truck video. Today in this game I'm playing Trash Truck Simulator. So we're gonna go pick up some garbage right now. Yep, here are the two garbage cans. So I'll be picking up this one. Let's pick up this one. Pick it up. Yes, let's do it. Ah, yeah. We did it. Look at all those flies. Oh my gosh. Those flies do like garbage. Nice. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Ah, yes. I think it's getting dark. It's kind of getting dark in this city, so let me turn on the lights. Even though it's daytime, it's kind of getting dark. Oh, here's a garbage can that needs to be picked up. Let's empty it. Oh, wow. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. That's a lot of garbage. I got 903 kilograms of garbage. Oh man, I just hit that car. Okay, let's see. Oh my, it's raining. Let me put the wipers on high. There we go. That's better. Now I can see where I'm going. Oh, wow, look at all this rain. Oh my. It's raining so hard. I know I'm a bit cheating a little bit, so let's just empty the dumpster. I think I was cheating a little bit because I was parking next to a car on the side of the road just to empty the trash bin. Okay, next trash bin is being picked up. Over here. Oh man! Look at that! Oh man, this car, it's a red light right now, and the windshield wipers are turned. Oh, now it's green. Look at that. windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are still wiping so much. Rain. That's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain. It's gonna be like we're just driving in the rain, and it's raining so much that look at all this rain. I need to wipe off all of this water with the windshield wipers. Oh, the truck is getting full. I have to go to the recycling center. Wow, look at all this rainwater. There's the recycling center right there. To use my blinker. Okay, look at all of it. It's raining really hard. Oh, it just stopped raining. Let's empty the garbage truck. Let's empty it. Time to empty out all this trash. Yes. We got everything emptied. That's cool. You can actually empty your garbage truck in this game. Oh no, I forgot to turn off the wipers. So the windshield wipers are just like wiping. So if you want to turn on your windshield wipers, don't you see the little windshield wiper icon right there? You just press on that, you just click that, and then the windshield wipers will wipe. Like this is in the low position. This is the wipers will wipe in the low position. If you press it one more time, the wipers will wipe in the high position. This is how I make the wipers wipe low. This is how I make it wipe high. I put the wipers on high. This is what it looks like. So this is what the wipers would look like on your garbage truck. Oh man, I need to go get a car wash. Oh man, let me go get a car wash. This garbage truck is so dirty. Why is it so dirty? This garbage truck is really, really dirty. There's so much mud all over the windshield and the whole garbage truck. I need to, Look at that. Wow. The wipers are just activating. I need to go from the inside of the truck because the truck is gonna be really dirty in the car wash. So the windshield wipers are just on wiping off. I'm wiping off all that mud on the windshield because there's so much garbage all over the truck, and I need to clean it off. So let's wipe all of it off. just need a car wash. I just need to get a car wash. Let's go get a car wash. Oh, it's raining again. Oh. So let me show you. These are the new windshield wipers in the rain. New rainy day wipers. Look at that! Oh wow! So this is what it looks like when it wipes low. This is in the low position. These are the wipers in the low position. And they're wiping off all that rain like that. Oh wow, look at that. So this is the view of the wipers from the outside. And this is the view from the inside. Look at that. The wipers are... Look at that. The wipers are just working like a charm. I better get gas before I go pick up more trash. Let's fill up. Yep. I've added fuel. Look at that. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on a single video like this. Bye!